që kemi Shqipe, për mos të bërë asin postim, like dhe subscribe kanalit. Faleminderit.
Hey, wallahi Edin.
What bitch? Whoever wants to speak bad about me or say anything about me, I've got one word for you, man, G. And suck your dirty mums. And suck your dirty mums. Hey, y'all sheer up. Oh, y'all sheer up.
Shut up, you
Alright, cool, listen. Listen.
Shut up.
Atë presa jo.
I'm in fear, presa jo, do nisë shok.
Po ma tërgo po këtë ku je më kërë.
No, e di vet ku jam. Apo, you want me to go to Tirana?
Shif shot. What that shif shot kurv none?
I listen, baby mom giving brain video leaking and that. Nikki Green got the video of your baby mom.
Hey,
what's
look,
that?
I'm showing you where I am. Let me see if you can do that as well. Rob, let me see if you can do that as well. Look, the way I'm showing it. The way I'm showing where I am, let me see if you can do that as well.
You little nerd, we saying you're bothered, innit? Cause everyone heard your daughter crying in the background while you're playing gang on internet. Social services. Yeah, stay there. I'm ringing social services. I don't give a fuck. That was a child in distress, and you're here talking live, gang. I'm ringing social services. I don't give a fuck, yo, but your car, whatnot, I don't care. I'm ringing social services. Alright, I'm ringing social services. A million. I'm ringing, and the maddest thing is you was driving while your daughter was in the back live. I'm ringing social services. That's 2 videos I got of your daughter being neglected. Social services, you're done.
Listen, can you do the same thing what I can do or not?
I've been doing that, but listen though.
Huh?
You're bothered right now, innit?
Let me see where you are. Okay, let me show you. I just want to see your location.
Oh, shut up, man. Alright, cool. If I open my location, how long will your friends...
Oh, bro, if you're alright, just switch the camera once.
How long your brethren's gonna take if I open my location?
Hey, who you in the car with?
Tell me, how long will your brethren's take to come to Fury?
Hey, Makayin Makin, Obish, Makayin Makin.
By myself. I listen though. How long?
Ja shira të dhe qatinve se I kin makin, ja u shira të dhe qatinve se I kin makin.
Qa ta be shoferi?
Ja u shira të dhe qatinve. Ja shinonin shoferi. Ja shinonin shoferit.
Unë jam me taksi, qa t'ka be shoferi?
Ja shinonin taksisit, bro.
Pse?
Show the location
the way I am. Bashko Arab ship. What a shifsha, mamin ta shifsha. Un po them jam me taksi ti thua sha shoferi.
Rëpsimi o bish vish ban lafe, s'ka shans ma të rëgu kamën, s'ko jam të të rëguen.
Ore po të them, po vajta në fje.
Që kë rëpsimi se keni shef manjek jo, këti ja shifsha të firaken.
Oh, suck your mom, man. Social services. You see when you was going through Blackpool Tunnel, you was live showing your daughter.
Imagineja ku nuk shujt për nënën tënë. Imagineja ku nuk mundesh me gjujt as për nënën tënë. Ja kanë gjujt nënën e vetë, kësë bënë as për zemë as për nënën e vetë.
Listen.
Gjallë më rëpsim se ka bërë shqipënia, nuk ka. Gjallë më rëpsim, shut up, man, shut up. Who gave you the right to speak? Shut up, man, you motherfucker. Shut up, you motherfucker.
Oh, for fuck's
Don't talk
sake.
shit, cheer up.
You ain't never mash works. When you gonna ride?
Okay, but flip
When
the
are you
camera
gonna
my car.
ride,
Bitch, këthe kamën një herë.
Listen, I got 2 videos. You went through Blackwall Tunnel, you was driving on your phone showing your daughter. That's the first neglect. The second neglect, your daughter was crying on live and you're talking about shooting me. I'm ringing social services. Oh, you're done.
Alright, make it back. Make it back.
No,
I'm
still getting you, so I don't give a fuck.
Alright,
I don't give a fuck. I'm still getting you.
You can do that. Well done, my guy. But what have you done for your mama, car?
I don't give a fuck. That's not snitching. That is neglect on your child.
Po të kanë gjyjt nënës e ejt, të kanë vajt në shpit nënës and you don't give a fuck.
Shut up, man. Why are you speaking a bit? Wait, you want help now? What? If I po vajt am fier tani sa do
bish,
vonojnë.
ta kanë vajlejt.
Ore po vajt am fier tani sa do vonojnë.
Qaki vajlejt bëden.
Okej, po dola live tani mund fier, sa do vonojnë. Ore sa do vonojnë po vajt am fier tani po hapa kamerën. Ha?
O bish, hape kamerën
Sa do vonojsh, po vajt am fier, sa do vonojnë njerëzit tu? Ore nuk po kthem përgjigje, sa do vonojnë njerëzit tu po vajt am fier me live hap live-in tani. Po të vajt am fier duke hap live, sa do vonojnë njerëzit tu? Sa ordo të pres me live hapun fier. Ore sa ordo ti me gjithë grupin tënd. Ti me grupin tënd, sa ordoni të vini fier?
5 minuta të qif shara, 5 minuta. Ua 5 minuta me të qif shara.
5 minuta. O sa kjo mame të qifsha mame. O të qifsha ta Hasjanin që
5 minuta, o kar.
O të qifsha Hasjanin që ka lidh. O të qifsha Hasjanin.
Më të fut bish më faqim.
O të qifsha ta Hasjanin që t'ka ven lindje
Të fut gjë që mëra prapë, të dojet. Më së fut gjë që mëra parë, o bish. Don't put your uncle in front, bro. Bro, më fut gjë që mëra parë. Se hier dohet me pëtësi më rëpësi në njërë të prej.
What you mean 1v1 no mandem? My man and all his man done pulled up 10 man up, shot me 6 times and I'm still standing and they run off like bitches. Millie, je lover. Je lover, you're tired. You're tired, you fuck. You man pulled up 10 man up, shot me 6 times, and you lot run off. Imagine what I'll do to you, Millie. Tired, bro. Alright, guys, you see how his girl, little baby girl, was crying. He's there threatening to do shootings and that, and then he goes outside quickly. I'm ringing social service.